And I thought maybe you'd want to see this. This was the heaviest rain I've seen in a long time. It only lasted about 10 minutes, but that was a lot of rain. Look at these clouds. I mean, you could see, and I'm going into it. That was some of the heaviest rain I've ever seen. Is that a tornado? Dude, I think that's a tornado. Damn, now I can't see. I seriously think that was a tornado. Wow. Yeah, I'm gonna get a little bit of this because, I mean, you can see that that's the edge of the rain way out there in the distance. That was an incredible storm. We're going to keep an eye on things here. And I'm going to see here if we can see if that really is a tornado or what. It could have been, because look, that's all spinning around over there.
We have a bunch of sound from the induction ceremony here. Thank you, John, for... Oh, Dan, that's right, Dan.
We might be getting back into the rain here shortly. Look at that. Well, that's good for now.